afternoon, folks. Big Bo with RVs with Big Bo at Parkway RV Center. And guys, got another great travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. It is pretty hot today, but we got a great deal that I think is a very affordable option for a lot of people. And this is a 2015 Gulfstream Conquest 277 DDS. And guys, this is a bunkhouse travel trailer, real similar to one I filmed earlier today, but this one is only $16,900. Now, I want to apologize in advance because this one is not done yet. We're waiting on some upholstery work for it. I wanted to go ahead and film it and show you what we're doing to it. And we're still keeping the price the same because, let me tell you something, guys. No other dealer in the country is going to take a $16,900 used travel trailer and put a new sofa in it and get dinette cushions recovered except us. No other dealer would even fool with it for $16,900 camper. But we're not most dealers, guys. We're Parkway RV Center. We keep our prices the lowest in the country, and we do things for those lower prices other dealers won't do. So this unit is 33 feet long total length, including the tongue. It has one slide out. Dry weight is 6,618 pounds. It does have a power tongue jack in the front. That's 30 amp electrical service. I am hooked to my small generator, so we're not running the AC, unfortunately, but do have lights and everything else. And all in all, a really nice camper, guys. I mean, it's very affordably priced at $16,900. You know, this is something that you can go to your bank or credit union, get a loan on if you want to. You can go through one of our lenders if you want to. You don't have to have a long-term. You really don't need long-term financing for this price range camper. It's still a nice camper, and I mean, hey guys, you don't have to tell everybody you only paid $16,900 for it. They see this thing, they're going to think you're like everybody else. You paid in the mid-20s for it. They're not going to know any different. Conquest Supreme. You know, just a great affordable family camper. Got a power patio awning. Double entry doors. And you can see that it's not beat up at all. Let's see if we can get a good shot of the back of it from here. Spare tire in the back. Of course, you got your... Had a fun time stretching over there to reach that cord earlier. Got the stabilizer jacks. Believe me, guys, I am a one-man show. In fact, I even thought about putting credits at the end of each one of my videos. Narrated, directed, prepped, edited by Bo Adams, but you know, Big Bo. But there's really no point in it. I even put a mattress in this thing for you all by myself, so in 100-degree heat. But I did put you a brand new queen mattress in it, so you don't have to worry about a mattress somebody else has slept in. Came in without one, so I went ahead and put you a brand new one in the front. Let's look inside. Now, again, this one is not finished yet. A little warm in here. I do have the AC on fan only because it will not, my generator will bog down if I put it on compressor. I do have the dinette cushions sent off to get recovered. They are going to be matching. You can see the sofa flaking furniture problem like most of them did from this era. But I do have a new sofa that's ordered. Should be here in just a couple of days. Already been ordered for a few days now. So we'll have a brand new matching sleeper sofa. Hopefully the dinette cushions will be here soon as well. I'm having them all recovered with the matching material. So brand new upholstery. And it's got the double bunks. These are full-size beds, so they can sleep 1 or 2 people in each bed. You've got a rear corner bathroom. You actually got a tub in it. Shower. RV toilet. Sink. Medicine cabinet. Got you what I call that the little social door. So when you're sitting on the throne, you can be friendly with your neighbors. In case you need a roll of toilet paper, you never know. Actually, that's just for, you know, if you've got, well, obviously you're going to have kids with a floor plan like this. Kids are running around outside, they can just duck in here, use the bathroom, run right back out without tracking up the camper. Well, kids should be playing outside. Not everybody's kids do that, but it kind of defeats the purpose of camping. But hey, y'all, do what you want to when you go camping. 3-burner stovetop oven, microwave. Does have a 2-way RV refrigerator freezer. Hasn't been on that long, but we do this unit for the $16,900 price. Not only does it include new upholstery, which is a new sofa is about $1,000 and about $600 worth of upholstery work for the dinette cushions at $1,600. But we also include our major systems inspection for the $16,900 price. So on top of the new upholstery, we're also, my RV techs are going to go through this coach. We're going to make sure that the slide out system works like it's supposed to. We're going to make sure the roof air gets to operating temperature. The RV refrigerator and freezer gets to operating temperature. We're going to check the water system. Make sure your water heater, water pump, make sure there's no plumbing leaks. Make sure the spigots, faucets, toilet, all that stuff works like it's supposed to. We're going to make sure the steps work, power tongue jack works. Stuff that could ruin your trip. You know, we leave anything else to you, like the Mickey Mouse stuff, like if a light doesn't work or a cabinet's off track, we're going to leave that to you. All we do is we make sure the major stuff, the major systems that could ruin your trip if it didn't work, works. I did put you a brand new queen mattress in here, so this is a really comfortable mattress, and again, hey, that's about $300. You don't have to worry about spending or sleeping on somebody else's mattress. Hadn't even took it out of the plastic yet. And in here, guys, bedroom, you got his and her doors, entry doors. You've got USB charging ports. You can barely squeeze by the front. You do have closets on each side. Not bad. Vent fan, plenty of lighting. Place for a TV. It's got a stereo. It is warm in here, guys. You can sleep 2 to 4 in each bunk. So let's just say 2 in each bunk. That's 4 here, 2 in the front. You can sleep 8 to 10. This is something that 6,600 pounds, most half-ton vehicles can tow. If you don't know what your vehicle can tow, check out my free interactive tow guide. I'll put a link in the video description below, and it's also available on my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. Link in the video description below, where you can just type in parkwayrvcenter.com. There, guys, you'll see so much more information than what's on the YouTube video. I'll have pictures, I'll have all the exact specification measurements, tank sizes, width, height, pretty much anything you want to know about it. I'll have a link to a factory sales brochure if it's available, where you can look up pretty much any kind of technical information you could ever want to know about this RV will be available there. So for those of you who are really want to know all your research, you'll find questions there that you probably never even think to answer, that you'll never even think to ask. Will be on our website, parkwayrvcenter.com. And of course, you know, if you've got any additional questions, or you want to buy this coach, or you want to know if it's available, just pick up your phone, call 706-965-7929, and one of my salespeople will be happy to help you. Please call during business hours. Our business hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time, Saturday 9 to 5. We are closed Sunday for the Lord's Day and Family Day for our employees. And we are closed most holidays, unlike most dealers. We close at closing time sharp every night. So if you want to come visit with us, please get here at least 2 hours before closing time every night, because we close the gates at closing time regardless of who's here. My employees go home. Their families deserve to know. I'm not like most dealers that stay open till the last customer leaves. We don't do that, guys. My salespeople, my employees, their families deserve to know what time their loved ones are going to be home from work every night. I'm really, really big on that. They deserve that. Their families deserve that. You know, that's always a thing about when you work for these other dealerships, that you might get off work at 6 o'clock, but you might not. You might have a late customer, might not get home till 9 or 10 o'clock. We don't do that here, guys. We close at closing time every single night, no exceptions. No matter, you know, no matter how far you came, our closing times are closing time. Made a few people mad over the years because of that, but guys, you know, you don't go to Target 5 minutes before they close and say, hey, I want to look at TVs, can you keep the place open for me, do you? Exactly. You know what they're gonna say. But anyway, that's just the way we are, guys, and I think if you look at it from that perspective, you can see we're very understandable about that. But guys, that's the way we look at it. Heck, we're here 55, 56 hours a week. Trust me, guys, if you can't make it down here during that time, and during a six-day work week, it's like we always say, if you can't make it down here during those 6 days, honestly, you don't really need to buy an RV, because you wouldn't have time to use one if you owned one. But come out and take a look, guys. It's a nice unit. If you'll, you know, like I said, we make sure the major systems work. We're going to put new upholstery in it. At $16,900 plus applicable sales tax. That's it. You know, we're not like Rip Off World, all these other places that add thousands and thousands of dollars in fees and upsells. You know, if they advertise something for $16,900, they're going to add $1,000, $2,000 in fees. They're going to add $10,000, $12,000 in extended warranties, gap insurance, this, and this to it. I mean, $16,900 is going to double in price before you leave with a camper. Here, guys, it's $16,900 plus applicable sales tax. That's it. Easy, simple, and done. No surprises, no upsells, no games, no gimmicks. If you finance through us, you pay whatever interest rate the banks approves you for. We do not mark rates up. You go everywhere else, they mark the interest rates up 1 or 2%, costing you a ton of money. Or you're also welcome to go to your own bank or credit union. Doesn't matter to us who you finance through. Come out, take a look at this unit, inspect it for yourself, of course, because we only do the major systems inspection. Everything else we sell as is. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Again, we check and make sure at time of sale that the slide outs work, or slide out in this one, the roof air, the refrigerator and freezer, water systems, which includes water pump, water heater, includes the sorry guys, my heat's getting to me a little bit. Water spigots. We check the plumbing leaks, we make sure the steps work, make sure the tongue jack works, and everything else, of course, guys, is sold as is, where is. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's your responsibility as a buyer to either inspect it for yourself or hire a third-party inspection service, or both, to check it out on your behalf. Or neither. It's up to you guys. That's how we keep our prices down and do what we do and sell these things for what we sell them for. This is a great buy for $16,900, and keep in mind that's plus applicable sales tax that's out the door. It's not $16,900 and then time you get done with everything it's $30,000 like everywhere else. That's how they get you at these other RV dealers, especially these big chain corporate dealerships, guys. Those guys really rip you off. So keep that in mind. We can save you a ton of money. That's why we've been here since 1968, guys. We don't play around. We keep these things priced right. They move them in and out. We move them in and out here very, very quickly. We don't, you know, we price them to move. We price them to draw people in from all over the United States, not just local customers. People travel from all over the U.S. to buy from us. I mean, it's nothing to meet somebody weekly from the West Coast, from up north, or from Florida. You know, people say, oh, Florida's the RV capital of the world. You won't believe the amount of customers we get from Florida that come up here because they say Florida can't touch our prices. And they can't. I mean, literally, I save people thousands of dollars and they drive thousands of miles to save that kind of money. Take this one, for example, guys, $16,900. I mean, that's plus tax, that's it. You know, try to find this camper for any less with new upholstery, with a major systems inspection, with no fees, no surprises, and a nice camper. No smoke or pet odors. Carry the whole family. $16,900 in this current day and age. In current RV market, guys. Deliveries available if you need it. $1 a mile round trip, or $2 a mile one way, however you want to figure it. And if you're interested in any of that or have any questions, my salespeople are just a quick phone call away. 706-965-7929. I'm going to cut this video short. We do have financing with approved credit and down payment. Again, delivery available. 16.9, haggle-free firm. Give us a call before we come to look to make sure it's available. Smash me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. More RVs coming soon. Probably the last one for today, but be back tomorrow. May do some travel trailers, may do a fifth wheel, may do a motorhome. Guys, just whatever I feel like doing. Feel free to comment, share on social media. And thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.